Do you know what foods are best for people with kidney problems? This question is more important than you might think. Our kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, and the right diet can make a world of difference. That's why today we're going to delve into the world of kidney-friendly foods. We'll uncover 6 delicious food options that are not only tasty, but also beneficial for those focusing on their kidney health. Ready to uncover the best foods for your kidneys? Let's dive in. First up on our list is the versatile cauliflower. This humble veggie packs a powerful punch of nutrients. It's brimming with vitamin C, folate, and fiber. But that's not all. Cauliflower also contains compounds that work tirelessly to neutralize toxic substances in our bodies. This means your kidneys get a little help in their crucial detoxification role. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add a head of cauliflower to your cart. Next, we have everyone's favorite berry, the blueberry. Loaded with antioxidants and vital nutrients, blueberries are a powerhouse for overall health, but they especially shine when it comes to kidney health. Their low levels of potassium, phosphorus, and sodium make them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain their kidney health. These berries aren't just good for you, they're also incredibly delicious, making them a treat that's both sweet and beneficial. Sweet and nutritious, blueberries are a fantastic addition to any kidney-friendly diet. For seafood lovers, sea bass is your kidney-friendly option. This delectable fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, known to combat inflammation, a common issue in those with kidney problems. But that's not all. Sea bass stands out from other meats due to its lower phosphorus content, easing the burden on your kidneys. This fish doesn't just tantalize your taste buds, it also contributes to your kidney health. So why not enjoy a delicious sea bass meal for your next dinner? Moving on, we have the delightful red grapes. These sweet and tangy treats are not only a joy to the palate, but also a boon for the kidneys. Packed with a generous dose of vitamin C, red grapes help fortify your immune system. But their true power lies in their flavonoids, potent antioxidants known for reducing inflammation. These qualities make them a great ally in maintaining kidney health. So treat yourself to this nutritious snack. Remember, a handful of red grapes can do wonders for your kidneys. For a protein-packed choice, look no further than egg whites. Now, when it comes to a high-quality, kidney-friendly protein source, egg whites are a champion. They're not just an average protein source, you see, they're a powerhouse of essential amino acids. And why does that matter? Well, these amino acids are the building blocks of life, crucial for every single function in your body. But here's the real kicker. Unlike their yellow counterparts, egg whites don't bring along extra phosphorus. You might be wondering, why should I care about phosphorus? Well, for those with kidney issues, managing phosphorus levels can be a real challenge. Excess phosphorus can cause damage to already vulnerable kidneys. So, by choosing egg whites, you're getting only what you need. All the protein, all the essential amino acids, and none of the unnecessary phosphorus. So, consider swapping whole eggs with egg whites in your diet for improved kidney health. Finally, we have the flavor powerhouse, garlic. This humble bulb is a culinary staple in homes around the globe, and with good reason. Garlic's potent flavor is a fantastic substitute for salt, a component often limited in diets for people managing kidney problems. But it's not just about the taste. Garlic is also packed with health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the stress on your kidneys, and it's also an excellent source of antioxidants, those vital compounds that help your body fight off harmful free radicals. These qualities make garlic a superb addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Whether it's minced, crushed, or roasted, garlic adds a depth of flavor that's hard to beat. And the best part? You're supporting your kidney health with every delicious bite. Incorporating garlic into your meals not only enhances flavor, but also supports your kidney health.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.